Hello guys, welcome back to our Android programming tutorial series on Android material designing. I'm Annie from SmartHerd. In the previous video, we had seen the backward compatibility themes that are to be used in our application. Apart from theme, there are also the resource folders that are to be changed and modified to make our application compatible for the devices with minimum SDK version below 21. The layout, values and the drawable folders has to be changed accordingly so that our application runs on all the devices, be it with minimum SDK below 21, above 21 or 21. So the following changes has to be made in the resource directory in our application. Our app will derive the layout for below API level 21 devices from the layout folder, and for the devices with API level 21 and above, the layout will be derived from layout v21 folder. Next comes the values. For devices with API level below 21, the properties will be derived from the values folder, whereas for the API level 21 and above, the properties will be derived from values v21 folder. Then the drawable and drawable v21. For below API level 21, the drawable is used, and for API level 21 and above, drawable v21 folder is used. Now guys, let's resume to Android Studio and make the necessary changes in our application to make it compatible with all the devices. This was our application where we had last left it. Let's move to style.xml file and make the necessary changes that will help us make our app compatible for all Android devices. Before all this, let's change the theme to theme.appcompat. And now let's change our style name to supermaterial theme. Let's create a new resource directory, name it values v21, so that our Android devices with API level 21 and above will derive its property from values v21 folder. Click OK, and in this values v21 folder, let's create a new file, name it styles.xml. So now we have a new value resource file. One is values and another is values v21. But before this, let's change our style name in the Android manifest file. Let's change our theme name to, say, App Material Theme. We will be using this theme name throughout our application for further use and changes in the styles.xml file. As of now, we don't need Android manifest file anymore, so let's close it. And now let us make some changes in the styles.xml file. Now let's create a base application theme that will take the property for the Android devices having the API level below 21. Let's give the name App Material Theme, the one which we had assigned in the Android manifest file. And let's define its parent as the Supermaterial Theme. Now guys, the theme that we created now is our base application theme, which we can customize it. And the Supermaterial theme is the parent theme for all pre-Lollipop and Lollipop Ever version for all devices. This is the parent theme for all the devices because theme.appcompat is compatible with all the Android devices, that is for the pre-Lollipop and Lollipop Ever version. This base application theme will derive the property for Android devices having the API level below 21. And now in our values v21 file, let's define the theme for above Lollipop devices. It will be same, so let's copy this up and paste it here under the resource tag. And now guys, we can customize our theme here only for Lollipop and Ever versions. There is a small concept here and let me explain it to you now. Move to styles.xml. For our base application theme, the name of the theme is App Material Theme, which has its parent as Supermaterial Theme. The theme that is compatible for all the devices has the name as Supermaterial Theme and its parent is theme.appcompat. Now, how is this connected? This is the parent and this is the child theme. The parent of this Supermaterial theme is theme.appcompat and the parent of this App Material theme is Supermaterial theme. We can also say the App Material theme is the child of Supermaterial theme and Supermaterial theme derives its property from theme.appcompat. Same for the v21 file. The name of the theme is App Material theme, whose parent is Super Material theme. This Super Material theme derives its property from theme.appcompat. In other words, we can say this is again the child, which has its parent as theme.appcompat, whose name is Super Material theme. Now guys, to customize our application for devices having Lollipop and the Ever version, we need to define the features here in values v21 folder. But for the devices below 21, we need to customize our theme here. Another point to be noted is that this color primary dark and the color accent properties are common for all the devices. That is, the devices with above 21 or 21 version as well as the device with below 21 version takes the color from Super Material theme. Any change in the Super Material theme will lead to change in the App Material theme, because the Super Material theme is the parent of App Material theme. So guys, in this video, now we have made our app compatible with all the devices having the version 21, below 21 and above 21. We have used the XML files to make our app compatible with all the devices. In the next video, we will learn to make our application compatible with all the devices using the Java code. That is all for this video.
Thank you guys for watching. If you liked what you saw, hit like, share and do post your comments below this video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you and have a good day.